Monarchs. In this week's video, I have this beautiful set. If you would like to see how I did these, continue on watching. Starting off with my favorite Gelix kit from Amazon, link down below. Nail glue, UV lamp, and nail tips included. I got my nail tips sectioned out using my electric nail filer to file down the inside of them. Time for my actual nails to be filed down. Perfect! Don't forget to dust off all the residue from filing. Let's start off with my thumb, dusting it off as well, grabbing our nail glue and adding an even coat to the nail tip. I love adding that extra glue on the nail tip, but by the cuticle area, and you'll see why in a second. Now this is why I start off applying the nail tip by the cuticle area and pushing it downward. Apply pressure still while under UV lamp for like 5 seconds till the glue hardens a bit. We got our first nail done. Let's continue on with the rest. So these are how the nails look. Now I will be using my Kiss nail tip cutter to cut them down to my desired length. Using now a buffer to buff out the shine, preparing them for nail polish. Don't forget to dust off. So all of these are the nail polish I will be using. I will also leave every detail of every nail polish in the description down below. Starting off with white on my ring finger. I will be using Bare It All on all my other fingers. Now I got a little bit of each nail polish on this dish using my dotting tool, both sides, to create those different size dots and creating a heart at the end. Hopefully it comes out good, which I think it did. You just have to be with an open mind. So this is how it looks like. I did add a few more dots, tiny ones, just to give it more of that heart illusion. Now grabbing my top coat and applying an even coat on each nail and curing them after. Now with my cuticle oil, applying some of my cuticle area and smoothing it out. These are the nails. I thought they were so cute. It does look like a heart. Like if you have that mind. Who am I kidding? Let me know in the comments below what you guys see. I mean, because I created them, I see a heart. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and join the family. And I will see you guys next week with another nail video. Let me know in the comments below any suggestions, any kits, any colors, etc. Bye!